She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get dropped.
Hey squad, hey, if you're new here, hit that like button for your girl. Join the fan band. Comment down below because you know I want to know, honey. So in today's video, we are baking some blueberry banana muffins. So if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below. Let me know because you know I want to know, honey. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell for future videos. And yeah, we're going to get into this. Let's run an intro for y'all. Period. Hey squad, hey, it's that DIY queen. You already know what time it is. Yeah. Let's go, all my real MVPs. Alright, you guys, we're not doing a challenge today. Your girl decided to do a baking video for y'all. So we're baking today, and y'all like my YouTube shirt. Rome's Eating and Conversations made this for me. I don't know if she's still making shirts currently, but it has my pictures on here. It has my YouTube name on here. My Instagram is on the back of the shirt. So yeah. So if you guys want YouTube shirts for yourself, she charges. So hit her up. Let her know what you want. See how much the prices are. And yeah. Yes, Mrs. Felicia, I still have my shirt. Yes, I do. Okay, so we're gonna get into this video. I'm gonna add a cup and a half of water, and just add as little or as much as you need to when you're mixing your ingredients together in your bowl. Then I added 2 eggs, and I have my bananas, I have my blueberries, I have my clear bowl for mixing, I have my tray, my muffin tray, and I have my organic coconut plant-based unsweetened milk. Then also I have my ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, buttermilk pancake and waffle mix, and this is the Bob's Red Mill mix, and I got this from Wegmans. So these are the ingredients, and to spray the pan I'm going to use avocado oil by the Good and Gather brand from Target. So we're going to use that to spray the pan, and we're going to get started. Okay, you guys, so I have my glass bowl right here, and this is what I'm going to use to be mixing all my ingredients in. So we're going to do that. Alright, you guys, so I have my bowl, I have my spoon that I'm going to mix everything with. So here's what we are going to do. I got my measuring cup, so I have a half cup. So I usually don't measure, but today we're measuring because I don't want to use too much or too little. I don't know how much is too much or too little right now. We're just going with the flow. So there we go. There's that. Okay, you guys, when you're mixing, you can add as little or as much depending on how much you're making. So I'm making enough. I'm making 6. So I need to add just a tad bit more mixture. Alright, you guys, so I have my mixture. We're just going to add the mixture in like that. Stir it up, see how that looks when you're done stirring. And just stir until you have the right consistency, until it looks right to you. So it has the right thickness, I should say, the right thickness. It's all about texture and thickness when it comes to muffins. It's me, Mrs. Betty Crocker.com. Period. So that's how she's looking like. That's what she's get. What is she giving? This is what she's giving right now. So it's like that. Perfect. Alright, so that mixture looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna add my eggs in. We're gonna add in the eggs. There we go. I just added the eggs in, so now I'm gonna mix everything with the eggs, the egg mixture. So we're gonna do this. And then I'm gonna add my organic coconut milk. Just gonna add a tad bit to that. Another half cup. There we go. And we stir. Okay, so at this point, you get it to the right texture. Then you're gonna add your other ingredients, which is the blueberries and bananas. And then I'm gonna incorporate my cinnamon and nutmeg. So I'm just gonna keep stirring. Just keep stirring until you get it to the consistency that you want it to be. So we're gonna keep stirring. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. It is Monday. I'm having a blessed and prosperous day. If y'all hear thunder, it is raining and stormy outside. So if y'all hear some boom, 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 yeah, that's not me. That's just the thunder and lightning. So we're going to add our blueberries. This will be about like about a cup of blueberries if you were to measure it. And then we're going to add our bananas. We're going to add the bananas in there. There we go. And I'll put that there. And I waited till my bananas got really, really soft. Because you don't want to put hard bananas in here. No hard bananas, yeah. Just letting you know that. Oh, this is enough for like 12 muffins. I'm trying to tell you. Alright, so when you get it to the thickness that you want, we're going to add the we're gonna add the ground cinnamon. As little as much as you want. It's your preference, it's your choice, okay? And next we're gonna add the ground nutmeg in here. That. And then we just stir. You have to stir all the ingredients in here. Well, that smells good. I wish y'all could smell this. This smells amazing. I'm trying to tell you. This smells delicioso. It smells so good. So we're going to get this done right here. And then y'all see the consistency that it's giving. You see what it's giving? It's giving me vibes. That's all I can tell you that it's giving. So it looks thick enough to me. Looks thick enough to me. I'm not gonna put any mix in it. Looks thick enough to your girl. Looks thick. So we'll do that. Make sure everything is in here, like so. All right, and then we're gonna put them in the pan. And I'm gonna spray my avocado oil on the pan. So if it gets messy, like I said, that's okay. That will happen when you're baking. It just is what it is. So let's do this. overflow it. Don't add too much, because you'll know it when it gets to be like overflowed and too much. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, they look like they are ready. They look like they're ready. So we're going to take them out, let them sit. All right, so we are going to take them out. Y'all was singing songs like, if you fall, I'ma be pissed. I was taking them out of the oven. And y'all remember when I went live and I made my other muffins. Oh Lord, my egg bite muffins. I was like, I burnt myself trying to take them out the oven. I was like, if you fall, I'ma be pissed. Maybe I put them in a little bit too much, but we're gonna let them sit. We're gonna let them sit or whatever, and for a few minutes, and I'll be back when they're dry. Period. If y'all made it this far in the video, comment down below and say, sis, I'm the real MVP, because you know you are the real MVP, honey. And I'll be back with a taste testing. Period. Okay, guys, we just took these out. This is what she's giving. What is it giving? What is it giving? It's giving me yum. So we're going to put them in our bowl. And so I'm going to do this. Listen. Your girl, I'm gonna keep it real with ya, okay? Your girl has never made banana blueberry muffins before. Period. Alright, so we're gonna go with the next one. And yes, I'm using a knife to take them out. I was like, I don't know what other tool to use for those. So we're gonna use a knife to pull them out. There's that one. Period. You know when they're done when they come out easy, so you know that's when they're done. When you let them sit. There go another one. If y'all want to see me do more baking videos, comment down below and say, sis, we want to see you do more baking videos, because this was lit. Period. There's another one. There's number 4. Take out number 5. That's number 5. Number 6. I may not be able to cook everything in sun, but look, your girl can bake. Okay, period. And there's number 6. So we're gonna put that in here. This. Period. And there you have it, you guys. Some beautiful, can't really see bananas, but some beautiful blueberry banana muffins. And there you have it. And I'm going to do a taste testing for y'all. Alright, you guys, there you have it. They're ready. Alright, you guys, there you have it. They're ready. They're done. So we're going to try one. You don't need to add any extra sugar because the mix has enough sugar in there. You can add some more sugar if you want to, but I don't really think you need any. Okay, so let's try one. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna try one for y'all. Look at her. All right, so let's break her apart. There's that. Oh, that looks delicious. Okay, let's try it. Oh, blueberry chunks. That's a yes for me. Yeah, they're ready. And if you want to like decorate them up a little bit, you can add some powdered sugar or some cinnamon on top. Really don't need none. be honest. There you go. It's so good. I'm gonna go ahead and put the recipe down in the description box below for y'all, so I can really see what ingredients I use, how long it took to sit, how long it took to put it in the oven, all that. Get me some coconut milk. Alright, y'all, that's it. That's the post. Comment down below and say, sis, I made it this far. Yes, you did. If y'all like that and y'all want to see more, comment down below and say, sis, we want to see more baking videos from you. Period. Because your girl does more than just cooking, vlogging, mukbanging, challenges. I can bake too, okay? I'll be back with another one. Until next time, y'all know what to do. Comment down below. Hit that like button for your girl. Join the Bam Bam. Hit that notification bell for future videos. And your girl be back with another one. Peace, love, and hair grease. Period.